In Calcutta, it's very near to Calcutta. Last 14 years, we are in the business. Or this historical moment. This is a historical moment, and we are so proud. We are so proud. And here is my beautiful daughter, Adrija.
I am Adrija, and my parents, Dr. Devapi Roy and Reena Roy. And I really love them so much for giving me this opportunity for being a part of Amway. Since I've known, I've been with Amway since I was in class 5. So since I've started knowing what business is, what life is, I've actually grown with Amway. As soon as they started the business, I could feel that there was some kind of a change coming in our lives. So it was like this, that they started going to meetings. I also used to accompany them sometimes, but then there were times when I used to feel alone. I was at home with my grandparents. But then with what I got in return, now when I think of it, all has been worth it. And then not just that, even then I used to get bribes like gifts and for other things that you'll get all these. But then it was never one day that I felt really bored or something. I was so positive about the business. I always knew I had to be a doctor like my father and a diamond like my father forever. And so I did. One of it is done, and the next is really coming on the way. What Amway has given us is so much. I could say that all Amway has given us the most is time, because I never used to, when I was a kid, I used to see my father at night. Early morning, he used to go out of the house for his chamber, OT, this and that. I used to wake up, go to school, come back. My father still didn't come back from work. Then again, maybe when I used to sleep at night, after that, he returns. And then he also used to bribe me. I used to ask him every night, what did you bring for me? If he has even anything, he used to travel by local trains to Chambers, and he used to give me those tickets, and I used to collect them, thinking that they are the bribes and gifts. But then what Amway has given us is this time, this family time, which I don't think anything in this world, any profession in this world can give. However rich you may be, however money you can have money in any other business, anything. But what Amway gives, no other business and nothing in this world can give.